Hi everyone, Tercia, and I'm so excited to share with you about an event that I will be partaking in next month for ZafigoX. It is an annual event for a platform that empowers women to travel better and safer. And at this event, I'll be conducting a workshop where I will be sharing with you how to journal and travel on the go, and basically empower you to document your travel experience in a more visual manner, be it using postcards or pictures, saving receipts, memorabilia, ticket stubs and whatnot, and basically create a visually more engaging kind of documentation of your travels that will last you a lifetime. I will also be sharing with you how to journal on the go and what kind of essential tools you will need when you are journaling your travel experiences. So be it pens or washi tapes, maybe it's pre-planning the pages before you go on the trip so that you can just concentrate on writing. So I really hope to see you guys next month at ZafigoX. I will link more information about the event in the caption below, and I'm so happy to share with you that I also have an exclusive discount for my followers. So please take advantage of it and come and join me on this once in a lifetime experience at ZafigoX. I can't wait to meet everyone. Take care. Bye.